Hi dear students, in this module we will continue with the topic abiotic component and adaptations. The amount of water available is another important factor that determines the kind of organisms found in a habitat. Plants and animals that live in water have special adaptation to cope with their habitat. Fish have streamlined body which help in movement. Slippery scales help overcome the resistance of water while swimming. Fins and tails help in swimming and gills help for respiration. Plants and animals of dry or desert areas are very different from those living in areas that receive a lot of rainfall. Camels, cactus, date palm, rattlesnake are examples of organisms found in desert. Plants of deserts are also called xerophytes. Most plants have long roots that penetrate deep inside the soil in search of water. Many plants such as cacti have fleshy stem to store water. The stem is also covered with a thick waxy layer that helps retain water. High temperature causes water loss from leaves. To prevent this, leaves are reduced to spines. Desert plants lose very little water through transpiration because the leaves in desert plants are either absent, very small, or they are present in the shapes of spines. Many desert animals and insects survive the heat of the day by staying in burrows deep inside the sand during the day. A camel has several adaptations to survive in desert. It has long legs which help its body away from the heat of sand on the ground. It has long eyelashes which help to prevent sand during sandstorm. It has a hump where fat is stored. This provides food in times of shortage. It can drink a very large amount of water and then stay without water for a long time. It excretes very little amount of urine. It has padded feet which allows swift movement in sand. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants or hydrophytes. Plants like water hyacinth and water lettuce float freely on the surface of water. They float because they are light and have spongy bodies filled with air. Lotus and water lily have their roots fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond. They have hollow, light, flexible stems that bend in the direction of flowing water. This prevents them from getting damaged or uprooted. They have broad leaves that float on the surface of the water and stomata on the upper surface of the leaves, which prevents water from blocking the pores. Plants like pondweed and take grass remain completely submerged under water. They are also known as submerged plants. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have narrow ribbon-like leaves with no stomata and breathe through body surface. Such plants help in cleaning up the water by removing carbon dioxide that is breathed out by aquatic animals. They release oxygen in turn for the aquatic animals. Thank you dear students. The rest of the topics we will discuss in next video.